Well, I did nothing but sleep until I couldn't sleep anymore, and then I got up and ate. We watched Storm Chasers last night, chasing up north, which was a complete bust. I think one tornado and some wind reports, but hardly any really severe stuff. Nothing like it was hyped, which is normal. And I went back to sleep, and when I got up, I feel loads better. I mean, not completely 100%, but much better now, as compared to how crummy I was feeling yesterday. So I feel so much better, and my workplace was really good. They let me slack a little yesterday. They actually told me to go home, but I stuck it out till the end. But I feel bad that somebody had to pick up my extra, but oh well, you know. I am very susceptible to what the kids bring home, and unfortunately they bring home a lot. It's like we all get over it, and then next thing you know, another one has the sniffles again, and then I catch it, and I usually catch it hard. Much harder than they do. They recover in like a day. It takes me a while. I'll still take me a while to get over this, but at least I'm more functional now. And the weather, after yesterday's storms, which was really nothing around here, the weather's now in the 50s and cool. It's supposed to get gorgeous today, like in the 60s. But so far, it's very overcast and cool, and it's, you know what, it's good hot drink weather. So, until I get another call, hot drink. The bad thing is, it hurts when I cough, so, but here's where I'm going to get my hot drink, coffee.